टेक्नोलॉजी तो एक ही है, जो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे आप पालते हैं उसी तरीके से हमारे यहाँ यूपी में पाला जाता है। बस हमारे यहाँ कमी ये है कि हमारे यहाँ टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट्स की कमी है। स्टेट बहुत बड़ा है और सब कहीं लोग इस काम को करना चाहते हैं, तो हमारे टेक्निकल नो हाउ की ज़रूरत है और लैब्स की ज़रूरत है और इक्विपमेंट भी वहाँ पे नहीं है। इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स की वहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरत है। पेरेंट फार्म भी वहाँ पे नहीं है तो चिक्स की भी ज़रूरत है। कमर्शियल एग्स भी नहीं है तो उसकी भी ज़रूरत है। लेकिन लोग अब पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग को हमारे अच्छी तरीके से जान गए हैं कि कैसे की जाती है, कैसे करनी चाहिए, और जो लोग भी कर रहे हैं दे आर गेटिंग देयर रिफंड्स, their profit also. Regarding present status, we are having commercial layers nearly 20 to 25 lakhs. They are producing nearly 15 crore eggs, and backyard poultry is more in our state. Total egg production per head per annum, 3 eggs come from backyard and 2 eggs come from our commercial layer birds, and 17.2 eggs we are per head per annum we are purchasing from other states. 95% eggs they come from Hyderabad and rest from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana and Punjab. So we are big purchaser of eggs from Andhra Pradesh. Regarding broiler chicks, the status is this, that the state is having a rearing capacity of nearly 40 crore broilers per year, but our production is less than 10%. So the fertile eggs they come from other states, and chicks being hatched in our state and distributed to the farmers. 60 to 70% chicks they are come from the hatcheries, which are the hatcheries of the breeding farm situated in other states like Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. So our in the prospects of poultry development in Uttar Pradesh is very high, very high. The eggs that we consume, 473 eggs per head per annum, 70% of these eggs being consumed in the urban areas only, where the population is nearly 30 to 40%. So 60% population is still suffering from the not getting the number of eggs for their consumption. Export is not in Uttar Pradesh till date because whatever comes that comes for the consumption, local consumption. What is being produced is already insufficient for the people of the Uttar Pradesh, and there is a very very big gap. Since we are producing only 5 eggs, the national consumption is 53 eggs. So अभी तो हम जो कुछ भी प्रोड्यूस करेंगे दैट विल बी कंज्यूम्ड इन आवर स्टेट. A very big market in our state exists, and we will also have a very big market when we will introduce these eggs in midday meal, because lakhs and lakhs of students in government schools also they are not getting these eggs, which is a requirement for their balanced nutrition. Difference is this, that the entrepreneurship so far has not been developed. People who are coming in this business, they are not getting any financial assistance from the bank, any term loan from the bank. So they are using their own money. That is why our 70-80% farms, whatever they are in number in our state, they are small farmers. In broiler, they are the maximum capacity, average capacity of the farm is in between 2,000 to 5,000 flock size. And in layers, it is 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. 7 or 8 farms are having capacity of in between 70 to 1 lakh birds only. First time UP government has taken this development of this industry very seriously. Our Chief Minister wants to develop entrepreneurship in poultry development. That is why we have planned a scheme, Poultry Policy 2013. The scheme is based on the development of big layer farms and breeding farms. Big layer farms means the minimum size of one layer poultry farm will be of 30,000 layer birds, and anybody can take number of units according to his requirement. One can start take 1 unit, one can go for 100 units. There is no restriction in uh, number of units, and the state has sanctioned a 10% interest subvention, and this means that if somebody is getting a bank loan, term loan on 12% interest, 10% of the interest will be borne by the state government for the first 5 years. On one layer unit, it is up to maximum 40 lakhs per unit in 5 years. And similarly in the broiler farm, the this interest subvention is up to rupees 45 lakhs in 5 years per unit, and one can take more than 1 unit, and all the benefit that has been given in this policy, they will multiply according to number of units. So I think this is a first time any state has taken such a drastic step to develop this industry, and we have come here just to develop link between our state and this state, and people, we are inviting the people of this state to come in our state and develop the industry where there is a very bright future for this industry.